Here we go, Duchess. Require monthly test. I think it's the broadcast voice where the escape zone used to be.
Provide warnings during emergencies. If this has been an accident, the official information, news, or instructions to the follow the alert sound. This includes this test of the emergency alert system.
Unbang will miss as Jamie's crew gambling big and a back row hunt.
Here we go, Duchess. Here we go. Duchess. Here we go, Duchess. It's on Google.
My scalp needs a little extra love, so I'm trying Head and Shoulders Bare. Welcome to
Duchess EAS.
help soothe your scalp and compose itch, dullness,
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system.
If you're living with HIV, imagine being good to go with
Come on, Duchess EAS.
good to go bitch wash.
The official information, news, or instructions to follow the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Hey, Google. Stop. Thank you, Google, for the emergency alert system. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Thank you for the emergency alert system.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Come on, Duchess. EAS.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems in cooperation with
Here we go, Duchess.
other government authorities.
And the Seville Dorothea. And the broadcast voice, too. Duchess, cable box. Come on. Hey, Google. What does EAS mean?
Here's the definition of yes, used to give an affirmative response.
Hey, Google. Hey, Google. What does emergency alert system mean?
According to Wikipedia, the emergency alert system is a national warning system in the United States designed to allow authorized officials to broadcast emergency alerts and warning messages to the public via cable, satellite and broadcast television and AM, FM and satellite radio.
Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Play EAS tones.
Easy Tones by Relax Alpha Wave Short, playing on iHeartRadio.
Nothing to show for my time. Can I get a minion cake for my next birthday? We'll see, Peter. Like a real one.
Hey, Google.
Someday I'll be
Play emergency alert system tones.
Got it. Emergency Alert System by Hess Fire. Here it is on iHeartRadio.
Hey Google, stop.
Thank you, Penis, baby.
Copy that. Punishing the weather.